In this video, we're going to solve a problem that is pretty common if you're grabbing data from external sources. And here I've sucked in some data, and here my data is all squished into one cell. And what I want to do is break it apart into 3 different cells. And we're going to use the text to columns function to do that. So let's get started. Here I have 50 records of sample data, and you can see that between the first name and the last name I have a comma and a space, and also between the last name and the email address I have a comma and a space. So I want to break that apart. I'm going to select this column of data, and in this case I'm just going to do shift and then I'll tap end and hit the down arrow, and that'll select that whole column of data for me. And even though just B is highlighted here, all of this stuff is in B, and you can see in the formula bar, there they are. So how do I break that apart? I'm going to go to the Data tab. I'm going to click Text to Columns. I know that it's delimited. It's certainly not fixed width because you can see in my data the ends don't line up. So I'm going to choose delimited and hit Next. Make sure in here that tab, comma, and space are all checked. It's important that you have all 3 of these checked. And then where it says treat consecutive delimiters as 1, I'm also going to make sure that that is checked as well. Now I'm going to hit Next, and then I'm going to hit Finish, and it very quickly breaks my data into 3 columns.